Hi students. So in earlier class we were discussing about the difference between preference shares and equity shares. So far we have discussed what are equity shares, what are its advantages, disadvantages, and what is preference shares and what are the types of preference shares and what is the difference between equity and preference. Fine. So in the topic capital market instrument, next instruments are called debentures. Debentures are nothing but a loan taken from any financial institution, a bank, or an individual or a group of individuals. Please do remember debentures bear fixed rate of interest. That means whoever borrow these debenture, they have to pay fixed rate of interest. It's like loan taken by an individual. How does he repays his loan? He repays his principal amount along with interest rate. So that is what debentures are. In the large context, in the corporate context, how any company raises fund by issuing debenture or with the help of capital market instrument called debentures, how any corporate, how any organization raises fund. So for 2 marks, very important to remember for some exam, 2 marks they ask define debentures or what do you mean by debenture? So debenture is a certificate issued by a company. So by any company or any organization under its seal acknowledging a debt due by it to its holders. Its holders in the sense lender. So these people are the lenders and this company is the borrower here. So what are we discussing? We are discussing the capital market instrument. Capital market instrument, so far we have discussed equity shares. Equity shares we pay dividend in return. Fine. And equity shares are irredeemable in nature. What does that mean? In the lifetime of the company, in the entire lifetime of the company, company never go, the company never repays its principal amount or subscribed amount of equity shares. But the debenture, it is the certificate kind of, it is the capital market instrument in the sense there should be something written on paper. So what does that paper contain? It should have the seal of the company, that the authorized seal of the company, and this certificate, say for example, this is the A4 size paper. So in this paper, so this is the ABC Company Limited. This company has borrowed loan amount of borrowed an amount of so and so, and here is the company's seal. This is called one instrument. Fine. So this financial instrument should contain this seal and the amount of the loan this company is going to borrow from the lender. Lender is nothing but its holders. That means in next few moments we are going to discuss types of debentures. Under this debenture there is one bearer debenture and registered debenture. So bearer debenture is kind of shares only, like the transferability is very easy. These bearer debentures can be transferred to person very easily. So this bearer debenture, whoever holds this instrument is, that's where we come across in the definition. Debenture is a certificate issued by a company under its seal. This is the company's seal, acknowledging a debt. Debt is nothing but amount due by it to, due by it means a company, due by the company to its holder. Whoever owns this instrument is the holder of debenture. Fine. Whoever holds this financial instrument with them, that means they have invested so and so amount in this ABC Limited company. So this person is the holder of this amount, and this ABC Limited is the borrower, and ABC Limited owes this amount to the holder. Of holder name is Mr. Mr. XYZ. So XYZ lent a loan of rupees 1 lakh to ABC Limited. Now ABC Limited is the borrower and XYZ is the lender. So XYZ holds this instrument. ABC Limited issues this debenture certificate or capital market instrument, financial market instrument to this person XYZ. In return, XYZ is lending or investing so and so amount in ABC Limited. This is how debentures work. So in short, please do remember, very easy. In short, you can define in this way also. A debenture is acknowledgement of a debt under the seal of the company. It is very important. You should mention this word under the seal of the company. If you are going to define in this way, debenture is an acknowledgement. It is the acknowledgement given by the company to its holders, and that acknowledgement should contain authorized seal of this company. Fine, please do remember. This is what debenture certificate, debenture means. And there are number of, there are types of debentures exist in Indian financial market also. So one is simple and mortgage, bearer and registered, redeemable and irredeemable, convertible and non-convertible. Fine. So now we are going to discuss individual type, and in the next session I will give you a notes on all the types, because for 5 marks in your SEM exam, briefly explain types of debentures. This topic is probably for 5 marks in your SEM exam. So simple debenture. See one thing, if you are going to borrow money from your friend or someone else, he asks for security. Mr. A asks money from B. Mr. A needs money. That means he is the borrower. Mr. A needs money for certain business, specific business, and B is the lender and he lends loan to Mr. A. Fine. One thing Mr. B can do is simply, since he know Mr. A very well, he may not ask for security. That means I need 10 rupees now. I ask someone, so that person asks me, if you need 10 rupees, then you should pledge or you should keep this marker with me for security purpose. Whenever you repay your borrowed loan, I will give you this marker intact. That means I'm never going to use this until you repay the loan amount. Once your loan is repaid, I will give you back this marker. That's what Mr. B is saying. If A borrows money from B, if B never asks for, see, he can ask for security. Security means Mr. A should give him some underlying assets. Underlying asset may be land, maybe building, maybe vehicle, or maybe any other gold, jewelry, etc. So these assets are given to Mr. B for security purpose, and after getting the security, Mr. B gives him money or loan. Fine. So if Mr. B asks nothing for security and he simply lends loan to Mr. A, then it is called simple debenture. That means in simple debenture, no assets, no mortgage, no pledge takes place. Mortgage means giving certain security or providing certain assets for security purpose is called mortgage. So mortgage loan. Fine. Under simple debenture, mortgage is not given. There is no mortgage. This is called simple debenture. And mortgage, he gives all these assets. So Mr. A needs 1 lakh and he gives his house property paper, he gives as a security for borrowing 1 lakh rupees with B. So if he gives a certain asset or certain another valuables for the purpose of borrowing money, then it is called as mortgage loan. So mortgage loan is nothing but borrowing money from a lender by giving certain securities as a mortgage. Fine. Then the next type is, as we discussed, this thing, bearer debentures. So bearer debenture can be transferred easily transferable. So bearer debentures are transferable in the sense Mr. A has lent money of rupees 100 to ABC Limited. Now, one thing, Mr. A, if Mr. A needs 100 rupee back, either he can go to ABC Limited and ask for repayment. Otherwise, Mr. A can sell the same loan certificate or debenture. Debenture itself is a certificate containing company's seal. Fine. If Mr. A needs this 100 rupee back, he can sell this certificate. This is the debenture certificate of 100 rupees. He can sell it to Mr. B. If Mr. B needs 100 rupees, he can sell it to Mr. C. So that means this certificate can be easily transferable from person to person. Easily transferable in the sense transferring of ownership from Mr. A to B, from Mr. B to Mr. C. This is called bearer debenture. So that means bearer debenture, whoever holds this certificate is the owner of whoever holds this certificate is the owner, and ABC Limited, this company, is liable to repay loan to holder of this instrument. That is called bearer debenture. And registered debenture, it's usually cannot be transferred easily. That's why it is called registered in the name of certain person. So this ABC Limited has borrowed 100 rupee from Mr. A, and ABC Limited in its debenture register, it this company has only A as a lender. So Mr. A is registered person in ABC Limited. So Mr. A cannot sell it to Mr. B. So until unless company repays its loan along with interest rate, Mr. A is the owner of this loan certificate. That is called registered debenture. So registered debentures cannot be transferred easily, unlike bearer debenture. Bearer debenture can be transferred very easily from person to person. The next type is redeemable and irredeemable. The name itself suggests redeemable, the company repays its loan within its lifetime. Repayment of within the lifetime of the company is called redeemable preference shares. That means this loan gets cancelled when all the amount is redeemed or paid back to its lender is called redeemable. And irredeemable preference shares, irredeemable repayment is repayment of loan never takes place within the lifetime of the company. So until unless the company liquidates or until unless the company winds up its business, this loan carry for this loan continues. So until the company's last breath, That means until the company terminates or until the company ends its business, this loan is not repaid. That is called irredeemable debenture. So redeemable, the entire loan amount is paid back to its lenders along with interest rate within the lifetime of the company. But irredeemable debentures, the loan is, the company is never going to repay its loan, borrowed money from a lender until it winds up its business, is called irredeemable debentures. Now the convertible debentures are after specified time period. What is this? Convertible debentures can be converted into to equity after specified time period. So equity, these are the owners of the company. So that means these lenders under convertible debentures, these lenders, they are converted to owners of the company after specified time period. While issuing debenture itself, while borrowing the loan, the company specifies that after 10 years, we are going to convert this debenture certificate into equity shareholders. Until then, these debenture holders will get interest. After that, these specified debenture holders, after specified tenure of time, these holders will get part of the profit of the company, that is called dividend. Fine. So convertible shares, there are again two types. Fully convertible debentures, that is FCD, and another type is partially convertible, that means PCD. Fully convertible debentures and partially convertible debentures. So non-convertible debentures, till the entire loan amount is paid back, this debenture is not converted into equity shares, equity shares and other type of shares like preference shares. So far we have discussed what is debenture for 2 marks and what are its types for 5 marks. Under types, we have discussed simple debentures, mortgage debenture, bearer debenture, registered debenture, then redeemable debentures, irredeemable debentures, convertible debentures, and non-convertible debentures. So please note down all these points. Anyways, in the next class, we will share the notes on these things in detail. Thank you.